Hey everyone, if Pixlr is not working properly, whether the website won't load, images won't open, AI tools aren't responding, or the editor keeps freezing, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the most common Pixlr problems in 2026. First, refresh the page and try again. Temporary glitches can sometimes prevent Pixlr from loading or functioning correctly. If Pixlr is running slowly or freezing, close unnecessary browser tabs and background applications. This can free up memory and improve overall performance. If you're having trouble uploading images, make sure the file format is supported and that the image isn't corrupted. Trying another image file can help determine whether the issue is file-related. Finally, if none of these solutions work, contact Pixlr support and provide details about the problem, including your browser version, operating system, and any error messages you're seeing. And that's how to fix Pixlr not working problems in 2026. In most cases, updating your browser, checking your connection, clearing cache, or disabling conflicting extensions will solve the issue. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.